Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to tell you the basics about nervous system of the human body. So when someone throws a ball towards you, you react by thrusting your hands out and catching the ball. That is your nervous system at work. So basically, what is the function of nervous system? The nervous system takes information from the outside world and from the organs inside your body. It then works out how to respond to that information and tells the various parts of your body how to react. So the nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord and lots of different nerves. A nerve is a fiber that carries impulses through the body. So what is the main parts of nervous system? Basically there are two main parts of the nervous system. The first one is the central nervous system and the second is peripheral nervous system. So basic difference between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system is the central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is all the nerves throughout the body. The nervous system works this way. The nerves react to something. It might be heat, light, sound or any other stimulus. For example, if you accidentally touch something hot, the nerves in your skin send a message of pain to your brain. When the message reaches your brain works out what to do and then send a message telling your body how to react. In this example, the brain tells the muscles in your hand to pull back. Every moment your nervous system is sending millions of messages around your body. I hope so you understood the simple concept about nervous system and the function and the main parts of the nervous system. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.